How to deposit money in Phantom Wallet? To do so, you can click on buy, and this is the pretty much straightforward process. Select the asset that you want to purchase, as an example Bitcoin. I want to go with 200 as an example, and then you just need to click on the buy button and proceed with the on-screen instructions like entering your debit card and account number. And once you have purchased, it is going to show up in your home page of Phantom Wallet. Other way around is you can click on Bitcoin as an example and then click on receive and copy this specific address. Once you have copied, you just need to open up any third-party crypto exchange like Binance or Bybit. Then you just need to head over to the withdraw, and there you just need to click on Bitcoin in this case as an example, and then you just need to enter the wallet address that you have just copied. Select the network, which is in this case going to be Bitcoin, and then you just need to enter the amount and withdraw. This is going to show up in your Phantom Wallet within few minutes, and then you can either swap for some other tokens or keep it in your Phantom Wallet. So hope this helped. This is how you can deposit money in Phantom Wallet.